A struggling insurance firm nearly a decade ago, Kenya's biggest insurance cover fund is now offering improved financial services, including treatment abroad and locally. The insurance firm has long been challenged by lack of awareness of its capabilities, which has prevented thousands from enjoying medical benefits.
Samuel Muigai, a resident of Kasarani, is among the few but growing number of Kenyans who have benefited from the move by NHIF to improve its health cover. Together with his wife, Muigai peruses documents which saved him from holding a harambe to raise funds amounting to 1.4 million shillings for the treatment of her daughter, who had been diagnosed with a rare disease after birth. His daughter required specialized treatment in India.
When the baby was born, I was happy.
Youth and Gender
because getting a newborn is a blessing. And afterward, after 2 days, that is when I was told the baby has a problem. He has a truncus at Ariosas 2, which needed a quick surgery. The surgery could not be done here, only in India.
The medical bill for his daughter admitted at the Coptic hospital for a month was rising. He was almost penniless and could not afford to have her stay longer in hospital. As he waited to raise the required amount, she resorted to having her discharged. And being an NHIF contributor since 2009, the insurer, together with other well-wishers, came to his rescue.
When the baby went to India, NHIF first they gave me 500,000. Now the bill, when they are giving me the 500, it is about the 1.4 I was charged in Lama Krishna. But when they said they cannot start for that, they cannot do that operation, and we got another hospital called Fortis, they added another 130. That is 630. Afterwards, because the bill now came to 2.4, they added another 500.
In 2013, NHIF moved to cover nearly 13 million Kenyans, widening its services to include maternity cover, full kidney dialysis, heart surgeries and specialized surgeries. The enhanced benefits saw patients with chronic diseases seek treatment at almost no extra cost. Helen Gitambo lives in Kinoo and is lucky to have one of her eyes recovering after a quick surgery that almost saw her lose her sight in June of this year. Her sister Hannah Njoki is there to offer the support she needs as she recuperates.
When she lost the sight of that is a sight with one eye, and we took her to opticians. The opticians could not find any problem. Then later, one of the doctors recommended for an MRI, which we were able to take at Precise. The cost of the MRI was about 18,000, which was covered by the NHIF. For the first time, we had gone to a bit unscrupulous neurosurgeon who needed 200,000, and then to commence the surgery. But later, a friend of mine who also had a sick person who was supposed to be inserted a pacemaker informed me that the NHIF can be able to cover.
Helen has been a contributor since 2006 after getting employed at the University of Nairobi. Hannah was not aware that NHIF could finance up to 1.3 million shillings needed in Helen's treatment.
I took a step, looked for another doctor at Coptic Hospital, and then that is Dr. Jiro, who was able to give me the forms, and I went to NHIF, and NHIF was able to cover about 5.
Well, that report brings us to a close.